to be putting stuff in our refrigerator. I got this idea from Bailey, just talking to you, I guess, and I know it's really bad lighting, so yeah. I'm putting you guys right here. This is our fridge. This is where our oven. There's some stuff in there, so I forgot to record it. And yes, I did just get home from school. So, yeah. Got this cooler. So, we are gonna start. Oh, okay. So when I was doing this, I was doing right here. So this is just for fun. Okay. You think that's better? Maybe. Maybe that's even better. I'm gonna start off right here. This right here. Then we'll do the door and then the inside. So like that. So I'm gonna pause it. People kept asking me if I died. I didn't. It's fine. No, no. I'm gonna put the salt and salted butter up there and caramel. Butter. Don't know why it's up and down. Well, maybe I do. So this. Right here. Put these in the freezer because, I mean, there's literally nothing in there. I will show you what it looks like right now. So, hold on. This is what the freezer looks like right now. Just put the ice packs in there, and then this is our fridge. The door. We're going to close this up. And then I'm going to put the flash on because I need... Who doesn't put the flash on when they're cleaning? No? So, now we're going to put our... I feel like we should put our creamer here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. First, the butter goes in the top one here. So, like that. Our cream cheese can go up there, I guess, too. Another ice pack. I'm gonna put our eggs in this over here. My mom got pumpkin creamer, so this can go here. I will show you after when it looks nicer, and it already does right now, so there you go. Our yogurt can go up here too. Milk. We got a brand new fridge. This is why it looks like that. We got some lime juice. Let's go with the butter. And then we got some French onion dip. We'll be right back with our other stuff. I mean, it looks pretty clean. this is what it looks like right now. Your creamer is right there. It's pretty empty right now, so I will be back with the other stuff. Thanks. So you're on the cooler. We're on the floor, so. They're all in like containers like that. In bags. So this is the other ranch. Wait, we're just gonna go down here with this stuff. What tartar sauce? We can go up here. No? Or grape jelly. You can go up there. More tartar sauce. You can go there. Got some soy sauce. Got some grape jelly. We got some plastic sweet relish. We got some Dijon mustard, okay? Raspberry fruit syrup. I'm going to use that. Some sweet and sour sauce from the Choi. We're gonna put all of our salad stuff up here too. So the ranch is going up there. Got some garlic. We got some blueberry fruit spread, organic. And we got some helmet. So there's some mayonnaise. I don't eat it. I don't like it. I don't know why we have it. Well, my mom likes it, so there that is. Another bag done. More salad stuff, I guess, in here. So we got our Thousand Island Ranch. Catalina. No. On the front. Okay, on the side. Okay. We got salsa because chips and salsa are the best. This is what I'm going to take. Worcestershire sauce. My mom uses it a lot, so put some mustard. Got tomato. Got some ketchup. Then barbecue sauce. I will show you what that's all at. And for the next step we have. Here's our cheese. Don't eat blue cheese, okay? Don't eat blue Parmesan cheese. Never do that. Because I'm the dumb one in the family. And my mom allowed me to eat cheese like that. Put it on our garlic bread. You know, as one does. She allowed that to happen. So I don't trust cheese anymore. the cheese. Oh, I'll show you. This is where we keep our fresh produce when we need it cold. This is where I'm gonna put our. I don't think we need it on high, but we're putting the Italian cheese in there. The Parmesan. Sharp cheddar, which I have no idea what this is, but they don't use sharp cheddar we use. No Parmesan. We never have too much Parmesan in this house. You do? I don't think you do, but so much cheese. It's not easy. You can have cheese in here that's open for months at a time. You do nothing about it. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay. We got all that thing, you know? So for our extra butter, like one does, because our house, okay. It's way too much for me. We got our extra butter there. Got the bacon in here. Just regular. Yeah. I like hot dogs. I don't know. Let's just eat them. Oh my gosh. That's cinnamon. Don't know what it's for, but okay. I'm gonna keep these done here with eggs. Yeah. In this thing, we're gonna put our bacon, our hot dog. You know? This is the slider bin, so we can slide it open, I guess. The cheese, you know? I will push it all back when I stand up, and I'll show you guys the finished product. So much fun, it's me. So now, okay, good. So now I'll show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right now. I mean, looks nice. I like the creamer down there. So what the fuck? Okay, so what cheese is that? Produce, that, the eggs, the pork chops, don't know what that is, but okay. We got our milk and our apple cider. Everything else, assortment. We got the mealworms because we have animals that eat it. Butter, caramel. That's what it looks like. So now we're gonna do the freezer. So done.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
God, that was fast.
So, for the video, I just forgot to do an outro, so here's my outro. Thank you for watching. Put a like, smash that like button, turn on the subscribe, turn on the post notifications. So here, bye. Okay, guys.